morning, everyone. It's Glenda with our Sweet Home Life. You know, it's Christmas time and a lot of us have some parties going on. And Mojo and I have a dance party this Friday night, so I'm getting ready to make a cheese ball to take to the dance. I'm really looking forward to it. Every time we have one of these dances, it's really a lot of fun. It's ballroom dancing. Maybe one day we'll show you a video. One day, maybe. We'll see. But anyway, we're going to make a pineapple cheese ball. And we got 2 cups chopped pecans. We have 2 tablespoons of this powdered ranch dip mix. I didn't use the whole pack, just 2 tablespoons. A cup of grated cheese. 1/4 of a cup chopped bell pepper. 2 tablespoons green onion. And 8 ounces of chopped pineapple. Crushed pineapple in the can, just drain it really good. And I have 2 cream cheese. And the cream cheese I have over here in my mixer because I'm going to take all of this and blend together in my mixer. So let's get started. I let the cream cheese set out and get room temperature and soft, and also the cheese has been setting out here. So let's mix all this together in our mixer. Start by adding our cheese, our grated cheese. I'm going to cut this down and let it start blending a little bit. Okay, got that blended. We're going to pour in our bell peppers, our minced green onion, our seasoning, 2 tablespoons of that, a cup of nuts. This is 2 cups. This is 2 cups of pecans, so we're going to use half of it. Blending all this together really well. That's about half. And then of course our 8-ounce pineapple. Okay. I want to just let that mix really well. And then we'll turn it out on a piece of plastic wrap and wrap it up real good and put it in the fridge. And then we'll coat it with the rest of our pecans. It's going to make nothing but good, y'all, like Granny would say. Okay, I tasted of it and it tastes really good. I believe you will really love this recipe. And I'll put it down in the description for you because it's so easy to make. I just chop my bell pepper and my onion up in my little food processor, and that thing does such a good job. And we're just putting it on a piece of this plastic wrap so we can put it in the fridge and let it get hard. And then we'll roll it in the other cup of our pecans. So we're just going to use this plastic wrap. I put it too close to the edge, didn't I? Okay. Kind of help it form a little ball. Shape it into a ball with our hands. So. And we'll just wrap it up and chill it so it'll be a little bit harder, so it'll be easier to rub. And our rest of our pecans. Okay, I have it shaped up in a ball just by using my hands. And now we're going to put it in the fridge. And that's all there is to it, y'all. gonna be nothing but good, y'all, and we're gonna really, really enjoy it at the party. I'm back. It's the next morning. Just set in the refrigerator overnight to get firm so that we can add our pecans. So I'm just going to gently unwrap it. So I put 1 cup of pecans in it, and now we're going to add the extra cup. So I'm going to take my pecans and just press them onto the cheese ball like so until it's well covered. This is so good. I know that you will really love it if you'll try the recipe. And I'll put the recipe down in the description box. I'm just going to kind of shake that a little bit more up. So, and add my pecans to the sides. If these are falling off, and just press them on there. All the way around the sides. And then I will just put it on a pretty dish and put it back into the fridge until it's time to serve. So I believe that your family and friends at your next party would enjoy this. It's good for a Christmas party, a New Year's Eve party, a tailgating party. Anytime you get together with friends, and as you can see, it's so simple to make. So we're having a dance tonight, so Mojo and I have got to get dressed and get ready to go for our dance. So I thank you so much for joining me today as we made this delicious pineapple cheese ball. It's a little bit something different, so try it for your next party. Thanks for watching Mojo and Glenda. Give us a comment and a like and a share, and we'll see you next time on our next recipe. Bye. By the way, I'm going to be making some ham and cheese sliders with some poppy seed dressing that make a great sandwiches as well. So you may want to stay tuned for that video. Thanks. Bye.